Welcome to our channel. From a hospital bed to home recovery, this is a story of courage and family love. Don't miss the ending.
Finally, I reached the hospital. I am feeling very weak today. I hope it's not something serious. Hello, sir. How can I help you? Hello? Where's the reception? Just through the main doors, on your left. Thank you. You're welcome. Good morning. I am feeling very sick. I need to see a doctor quickly.
Don't worry, sir. What is your name?
My name is Alex Brown.
Do you have an appointment today?
Yes, at 10:30 a.m.
Please show me your ID card.
Here it is. I have a high fever and pain in my chest. I feel very weak.
Okay. Please fill out this form carefully.
Sure. Where should I wait after this?
Sit in the waiting area. The nurse will call you soon.
All right. Thank you very much. Excuse me, the doctor is taking so long. I've been waiting for an hour.
I know, I've been here a long time too. No one tells us anything clearly.
This is really frustrating. I am not feeling well and still I have to wait.
Yes, it's very annoying. They should manage the time properly.
Exactly. It's just ridiculous. At least they should inform us.
Calm down. Maybe our turn will come soon.
I hope so. It's hard to wait when you're sick.
Alex Brown.
Yes, that's me.
Please come with me. The doctor is ready to see you now. Please sit down.
Doctor, I am not feeling well at all.
Since when are you feeling like this?
For the last 4 days, but today it became worse.
Are you breathing properly?
It feels heavy. I feel pressure in my chest.
Okay, I need to check you immediately. Take a deep breath and exhale. Your temperature is very high and your heartbeat is fast.
Is it serious, doctor?
It's a concern, but we'll monitor you. Rest now. You have a severe chest infection. You need proper treatment.
What should I do?
You need to get admitted in the hospital for a few days.
Admitted? Is it that serious?
Yes, you need rest, oxygen support, and regular medicines.
Okay, doctor. I trust you.
Sir, we are shifting you to a room.
Okay.
Please sign these papers for hospital admission.
Okay, I will sign.
Lie down and relax.
I feel very tired.
We will give you medicine and oxygen.
Thank you.
You will feel better soon.
Nurse, please call my wife.
All right, I will. Hello, ma'am. Your husband has been admitted. He is stable, but he needs treatment. What? Is he okay? We are coming right now. I hope Alex is okay.
Me too, Mom. We're almost there.
Okay. Alex, how are you feeling?
Emma, don't worry. I am okay.
You look so weak. Why didn't you tell me earlier?
I thought it was just a normal fever.
Dad, are you gonna be fine?
Yes, champ, I will be fine soon.
Please don't worry. He is under proper care. Doctor, is it serious? His condition is stable, but we'll monitor him closely. It was serious, but we started treatment on time. Thank you so much, doctor. You always ignore your health.
I am sorry. I won't ignore it again.
Dad, we need you at home.
I know. And I will come home soon.
Visiting time is over now. Okay, we will come tomorrow again. Take care.
Love you both.
Bye, Dad!
Bye, buddy. See you soon. My family was here, wasn't they?
Yes, they came in the afternoon. They talked to you for a while and then went home.
I don't remember much. I was feeling very weak.
It's okay. You were resting. They were happy to see you improving.
That makes me feel better.
They asked us to take good care of you. Now you just focus on resting and recovering.
The journey is not over yet. What happens next in the hospital? Will he recover completely? Watch the next part to see what happens next.